Hi, I'm Dr. Rahul Bharad. I welcome you all to my series What Life Has Taught Me Yesterday. Today, when I'm recording this video, is 4th of May 2023. I'll be talking what 3rd of May has taught me in life. Yesterday, most important lesson for my from my daily life came from stock market. Actually, I've been investing in the stock market actively since last 4.5 years, more than 4.5 years. I'm not doing like daily trading, intraday trading, or future and options trading. So that which is done by so many people, but people they get very less success in that. What I'm doing is since last 4.5 years is long-term investing. I'm just buying stocks at whatever cheaper rates I feel, and I'm trying to add them if they go down like that. That is for long term. That is for future plan of any investment. Long term investment is one of the best way to invest your money in the stock market. uh, I have been studying stock market. I have been studying various shares companies whenever I get time in last 4 or 5 years. Whenever I felt something good, some idea is good, I'll be sharing. I used to share those ideas with my colleagues, with people around me. So many people started investing after discussing with me, and we had a discussion, not on daily basis, but whenever we had time we used to add money in stock market. Whatever small amount of money they my friends also used to add. So what happened? Now the market has started rising. It was way down a few months back, but in last 15-20 days market is rising quite well. And people who had been investing in some of the shares, they have got multiple times returns in last 3-4 years, which is very appreciable. If you keep patience, you will definitely get success in stock market. No doubt that market can go down, shares can look very ugly when they are red. You might feel tempted to sell them at loss, but if you keep patience, then you will definitely get success. Some of the stocks in last 4 5 years have become 12 to 13 times, which is humongous returns. Even if you get 3-4 times returns in 4 5 years time, that is actual an achievement for any investor. Just adding good stocks to your portfolio, just keeping patience, not entertaining any bad news or good news. If you feel that a good company is available at a cheaper rate, you add that company, you add those stocks. That is the simple funda which has been told by all the great people in the world who have been investing. That is a simple thing. I'm not saying this is the only formula to become wealthier, but I would say this is one of the best formula to have your portfolio in a better position, to keep your portfolio growing slowly and slowly, day by day and years by years. So that's what we have been doing. Some of my colleagues have got very good return. That was one of the most important lesson I got after discussing their portfolio. And what I could see is that even if you invest small amount, when you get good returns, you get confidence that yes, this market is for me, and I'll be earning some positive returns from that in future if I continue to add that. Now almost 3-4 people are there around me who are good friend of mine, and they have been on a very good track of investing. So that was most satisfying thing for me yesterday, which I felt, because yesterday few of our stocks, they went very high, and in not so very high market yesterday, but those stocks ran well, and overall returns of those stocks in last 3-4 years have been very encouraging and very positive. So that's a good thing. So most important lesson, I would say, patience was the key, and patience will be the key in this stock market. If you want to invest in the stock market, always prefer long term investing. Be confident, be the person who is having faith on that company, and be patient. Most important is the patience. So that was the most important lesson I got from life yesterday. I wanted to share with you all. Most important news I came across yesterday is about Saturn. Now you know that Saturn is the planet around which there are a lot of rings of ice. Those rings are made up of ice, and researchers have found that those rings are somewhat disappearing, becoming smaller and smaller in size. Now it's a very huge ring around Saturn. that ring itself extends around 2 lakh kilometers away from the planet. These rings were made almost 100 million years ago. That means almost 10 crore years ago these rings were made, and next 10 crore years also those rings might remain. That is what researchers have found, but they are finding that they are slightly disappearing in size, they are slightly becoming smaller and smaller in size. What you people know about those rings? Did you know those rings are divided into some alphabets like ring A and ring B also? Those rings are made up of asteroids, planet, small particles, and ice also. Those particles can be small as house also, and can be big as mountain also. I'll be sharing link in the description box about that news. If you are interested in those Saturn rings, do go to the description box and click on the link of that news. So for today we'll stop here. What you people are learning from your daily life, do tell me in the comment box. Do like, share and subscribe to my channel. Bye bye.